This week at the Spotify Camp Nou marks a clear turning point. What we are seeing now is no longer preparation or groundwork. It is full-scale execution across multiple areas simultaneously. Different phases are running in parallel for the first time, and the pace has noticeably shifted. This is the moment the project changes gear. Let's get into it. Starting with the most significant development this week, the compression ring. The steel segments, known as phalanges, are no longer simply staged on the ground waiting. They are actively being lifted, aligned, and secured into position against the radial beams. Connections are being tightened, and the structure is being stabilized section by section. This is a genuine milestone because it marks the moment the stadium begins closing at the top, shifting from an open skeletal frame into something that is starting to feel like a defined architectural form. Before we move on, please like the video and subscribe to Megaverse Builds for more updates. At the North Goal, one of the biggest visual milestones of the entire project has now arrived. Slat installation has officially begun. After weeks of anchor preparation and guide installation, the first slats are now fixed in place, and more are being added at a steady rate. What makes this particularly notable is that installation is proceeding even before the full structural painting is complete. A clear signal that the construction approach has shifted towards speed and parallel progress rather than waiting for each step to fully finish before moving to the next. Along the lateral facade, the transformation is becoming impossible to miss. The black exterior panels are now spreading across new zones beyond the sections completed previously. These panels sit behind the slat layer and form a core part of the stadium's final visual identity, adding depth and contrast that begins to give Camp Nou its new character. For the first time, the exterior is starting to look finished in certain areas rather than under construction. Over in the Tribuna section, the work is more technical but equally important. Large vertical connectors for the slat support system are being installed across this zone. These components will directly determine the spacing and positioning of the facade elements, shaping how the stadium reads from both inside and outside. Alongside this, prefabricated elements are arriving, elevator structures are progressing, and beam treatment work continues. Structural and finishing activity running side by side. At the South Goal, formwork panels and support systems have expanded rapidly across areas that were recently bare. The third-tier seating is edging toward full completion, with only isolated sections still remaining open. The stadium is getting closer to forming a continuous and unbroken bowl for the first time. A landmark moment in the overall build that changes how the entire structure reads from every angle. That is Camp Nou this week, a project that has clearly entered a new phase. Drop a like and subscribe to Megaverse Builds so you never miss a moment of this. The most dramatic changes are still ahead, and we will be here covering every single one. See you next time.